Morning. We have a few movers this morning. Gonna CIMD. So this one, CIDM, pardon me. So that one yesterday, the after hours moving. So right now, almost 28 million shares traded in the pre-market hours. This one is going to be extremely volatile. Everybody wanna have a piece of the pie. LUV, Genus, moving a little higher here as well. Little flag on the 5 right there. Hey buddy, good morning. Hey buddy, listen, conversation we had yesterday. I'm not about, just to tell the details away on a live stream. But I know now. I was doing some thinking this morning, and I wasn't thinking about it really. I was just, to be honest with you, I was just getting ready for my day, and as I was getting ready, this idea came to my head just like a flash. It hit my head, and I was like, "Oh, okay, that's why this thing that he told me is happening." And so later on, I will let you know what you asked me, if it was normal or not. You asked me yesterday. And I will give you the answer for that, because I do know, I understand exactly what you asked me, and I know the reason for why you're going through that, or why that is happening. CIDM, biggest mover today, 210% about that. ABIO unleashed the monster not too long ago. When the market starts to do this, everybody wants to get a piece of the pie, and you start to see names run like crazy because everybody wants a piece of the pie. Everybody wants a piece of the pie. Just saying good morning. Of course, it's simple. It's very simple though. Trust me. I've been there. This is the reason why I can relate. You know, when people ask me questions, I've been through so many things that oftentimes I have the answer for the questions. It's just that I've been through stuff on my trading journey, right? We got Gap, the Gap company now today is being sued by another company because they're not paying rent. Now, they're not paying rent because of the coronavirus thing anyway, but it's probably gonna affect the price of stock today. I think this thing is gonna be halted fairly quick after the market open here. Oh, there it comes. There it comes. Oh, a lot of people taking a hit here. My hands are clean. And I'm not taking a hit on this one. Those who have jumped these companies in the pre-market hours, for the last couple of days, there have been many people getting up earlier than usual, I will say, to try to catch these movers in the pre-market hours. Geno's going right back up to 10. ENDP 403. You gotta let CIDM consolidate a little bit more if you guys are interested in sending any type of order on that one. Also watching KZR, K and Z as a zebra and R as a Ronald. Macy's moving higher. Macy's. KZR. Small pennant formation. 5-minute time frame. Well, CIDM had a area right here around the $4 area. Quick pop to 447. I think it was 448 right there. Yeah. Stood there for a little bit of time. Then he followed through. Plunging, I mean. $5 area right there. I'm pretty sure there's some people holding the bags there, trying to see if it comes up, comes right back up, because you know nowadays everybody hoping that the price is gonna come right back up. Now with the runners that we've been having, many people might think that it will be something to see if the price actually rolls over right back up. Price going higher there. CIDM. Macy's pretty decent reversal. Tapping the view app. 791. Bouncing right off of that area. XSPA started to move since yesterday. That is actually a pretty decent mover. I think XSPA is actually going to have some decent action today, though, to be honest with you. I think XSPA is going to have some decent action today. GNUS and ENDP are on watch. GNUS and ENDP are on watch. Watching Macy's still possible bear flag formation on the 1 minute time frame. About 30 seconds to close there. $0.50 move right out of the gates. Macy's had. $791 view app. Macy's 791 view app. Macy's going towards moving averages. Moving averages crossover. Price 473. 478 higher day. 478 higher day on CIDM. Amazing reversal on Macy's though. A very decent reversal on Macy's. And that was based on a hanging man on the 1 minute time frame. CIDM 484, 488 HOD. I gotta say, the market has been on fire in the last couple of days, though. Macy's coming right back down, tapping that moving averages crossover on the 1, 50, and 100 simple moving average, same spot, sitting in the same spot, coming down 5 minute time frame, 770, 770. Oh God, look at that long wick on the 15 minute time frame. On Macy's. Wow, that's crazy. Big movers, great movers. XSPA, ENDP, CIDM, KZR breaking that a little triangle on the 5 minute time frame. Macy's looking pretty decent though. Coming down 770. What's the news on Macy's though? This thing had a massive reversal. Holy macro. I hope you guys are having fun. Xbox coming right back up. Higher day. CIDM and KZR breaking out. INO moving higher as well. INO. This is flushing down. Still going down. CIDM red candle right here. I think we're gonna micro pullback, little consolidation, probably followed through. XSPA breaking out. XSPA. CIDM master mover, 316% up today. Macy's possible bear flag pattern on the 1 minute time frame. $763. Prior low 759, 759. And it printed. Bear flag pattern print on the 1 minute time frame on Macy's. Macy's bear flag pattern formation printed. Macy's bear flag pattern formation printed. XBA 203 higher day. NDP rolling over. GPS just like Macy's. For the most part, these two brands move the same way. ANF move the same way. LB doing the same thing. These brands actually do the same thing. No, I got Macy's on my main window though. Let me put it right here so you can see it. Take out maybe Gina's. Which one do I want to take out of here? Let me just take out Gap. Put Macy's here. on this window here. Here's how it looks. See, hanging man right here in the 1 minute time frame reversal, tap the daily level, had a micro pullback around this area, was around the view app, came through right there. Then he had a bear flag pattern in the 1 minute time frame and followed through down here for a dip off 745. So right now, a very nice reversal. Macy's here. And we're gonna go back to CIDM. You can see might just bounce off of that little flush that he had. I think it's gonna be a monster mover here today. Macy's breaking another small flag formation of the 1 minute time frame, coming down, broke the 757 and coming down 754 in the 1 minute time frame, coming down the low 745. We have a hammer on that area there. It's really great reversal on Macy's since the market opened right there, moved 50 cents and then had that reversal for what is that? Let me just make the numbers here. Let me see what that is. 75-cent move from the top. I didn't expect that it was gonna go so low, to be honest with you. The market has been crazy the last few days. And I don't know what the deal is with this thing here. KCR on the move. KCR. Look at that formation that he had right here in the pre-market hours, breaking out of there on top of the view app and the 50 simple moving average. Pretty decent move on KZR. KCR is still moving okay. Whole dollar resistance up ahead. $8 mark. Higher day 798. Spider running up. Alright, so I expect to see Gina's ENDP CIDM coming right back up. Okay, I got 2 CIDMs here. This is not good. Huge. Let's see. Nope. Let's see. Let's look at GPS. There's no way we're gonna do nothing with it. AAL, American Airlines. Let me just take a look at American Airlines right here. See how it reacts. Most of the airlines are gonna move alongside. Since this morning, the demand on the airline sector was a little higher, so there's a reason why since yesterday you guys started to see the airlines moving higher. I know, moving here. The Spider looking pretty good. Look at this. Look at this. Oof. Look at this ramp up right here in the last 5 minutes. It's pretty decent. CI care, CI DM. A little bit of a bottom formation right here. Turning around. Let's see the high of this candle 505. See if we can break that level and come right back up for a retest of the high here of $6. See if it holds. Now we have a dollar range in the whole thing here. It's probably gonna consolidate a little bit more, but we have a round bottom formation right here. Right here, a little bit of a round bottom formation. Okay, let's see here. Hope you guys are having a good morning, though. I gotta say, I am. Didn't sleep much last night, honestly, but still, little shower this morning, coffee, my vitamins and stuff that I drink every day. Before anything else, I drink those vitamins before drinking anything else. Putting not even water in my mouth. I just, meaning, yes, you gotta brush your teeth and all that. I'm saying to drink something per se, drink or have coffee or juice or something like that. I'm not talking about brushing your teeth. I'm saying before eating anything else, those vitamins, they come into your body and they hit my brain in a way that it's just amazing. I've been recommending those things to you guys, but I don't know if somebody got it or not. It's whatever, and I don't get paid for that anyway. But I did recommend it to some of you guys. Come on, music, don't stop now. I'm in the groove here. I'm in the mood. I'm in the mood. Okay, we're slowing down a little bit. See a doji and the spider. I know. Hanging man on. 5-minute time frame in reversal. Next to red candles right there on the 5. Macy's slowing down. I think we're gonna come right back up and retest that 796 area though. Slowing down a little bit here. Okay, we got a star formation on Macy's. Let's just bring it up so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about here. 5-minute time frame. Oh, it's just switched up when I was changing the shot. Anyway, this last candle shows a little bit of indecision here. I think that we might be able to come up and retest a 786 though. But it was this is an amazing reversal and a bear flag pattern right here on the 1-minute time frame, pretty decent. Micro pullback on the 1 minute right here on the BU app. That was actually pretty cool reversal out of the 805 and 805 right here, resistance coming right back down. Bear flag pattern on 1 and another 15-cent move here to the bottom of this thing. Actually, you see the reversal off of the 1 minute hammer right here, coming right back up 786, slowly trending up. Pretty decent mover though, I have to say. CIDM bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame. CIDM, no shares to short that one. I don't have anything to short on that one, but we have a bear flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame right here on the 485. CIDM bear flag pattern 485, 5 minutes. CIDM bear flag pattern 5-minute time frame. CIDM. CIDM bear flag pattern 5-minute time frame. Tapping the BU app. CIDM bear flag pattern 5-minute time frame. I got no history on that one. I just want to take a screenshot right here and show it to you guys on Discord so you guys can see that how this thing actually works out. CIDM 5-minute time frame path bear flag pattern low 485. Tap view up right here 433. That was a 50-cent move for those of you who had shares to short and were able to take that reversal right there on that pattern on CIDM. A pretty decent formation pattern right there. For 780, 781, 781. Tap and count 5-minute time frame doji, shooting star formation 5-minute time frame on Macy's. 5-minute time frame on Macy's. 5-minute time frame on Macy's. Macy's 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frame. CIDM. Nice bear flag pattern. 485. 5 minutes. Pretty decent though, I gotta say. So amazing move right there. I got no shares to short. I gotta be honest with you. I got no shares to short that one, but that doesn't mean that everybody doesn't have shares to short. I didn't. That doesn't mean that all of you guys didn't. So I just like telling you guys exactly what I see. You guys can take those trades if you can. If you have shares to short, and if you have those trades right there for you on your hand, so you can take advantage of those special situations right there. Hoping all of you guys are doing great this morning. Yesterday I got some news about a litigation. I was involved. Not that I was involved. I put some money in a company back in 2012. The company filed for bankruptcy, and I lost all the money. And there was a lot of time on litigations and stuff like that, and it just finished this year. Although I'm not getting a lot, I'm just getting like 43% of what I put in back then, but I'm getting something. It's not really a lot of money. It's really not a lot of money, I gotta say. But it was a surprise for me, because from 2012 to now 2020, I wasn't really expecting that I was gonna get anything at all. And the bankruptcy court just finished on the 27th of last month. And now I just put in all of that information yesterday for my banking records and all that kind of stuff through Zelle, so they can give me a distribution once the bankruptcy courts actually approve all of the things. And I'm like, wow, this is crazy. Actually, a pretty good thing that I'm getting something back. What I actually thought I lost it all right there. I mean, like everything that I put in. But now it seems like they sending me something. Whatever they send is better than having nothing, because I as a matter of fact, I don't know. I didn't think so many years. I thought that it was a done deal, that I was not gonna get anything anyway. Small pen information, 1 minute time frame here with a lot of indecision on the 5. But I gotta say, money's good wherever it comes from, right? Yeah, that's pretty good news though. I was like, hey, yeah, that's good. I was like, yeah, the case closed, bankruptcy court, it's done deal. It was an international company, and there was a lot of people involved from now here in America and in Brazil and other places, right? And it was kind of like a global thing, but it was like a Ponzi scheme. And it was right a couple of months before I actually started trading. So I didn't have, I didn't know much about this. I thought it was something kind of safe. A cousin of mine was actually the one that introduced me to that stuff, and I thought it was safe because she was making a little bit of money. Funny thing, the day before I got paid the first time, or I was supposed to get paid the first time, the company filed for bankruptcy, and I never got paid, not a dime. And so everything I put in, I lost it. So I thought, so now I'm getting something back, and it's only 43% of what I put in. But yeah, I'll take it. I'll take it. 8 years running with that, I didn't really think that nothing was going to happen. XSPOT on the move, XSPOT on the move, XSPOT running right back up. Probably higher day here. 175 low, 203. 203. See, with this pullbacks being so hard here, this is where I try to be really cautious with this low price names that are actually moving like that. EMDP, been watching this one since yesterday. Genus, oh my god, Genus being halted several times. As a matter of fact, it's halted now. So keep on moving here. Let's see here. What else is moving? Genus, no. CIDM. CIDM's coming down though. CIDM's coming down like that. Pretty hard. Pretty hard here. CIDM. No shares for sure in CIDM. Something I can't deal with as of right now. Well, guys, gotta say, I'm having a pretty decent day today, though. It's amazing to see. I'm checking out the members right now. Let me see. We have 100 and yeah, I got a couple of bots in there, but we have 131 members in the chat, which is actually pretty good though. Let's see if we can, how fast we can take it to 1,000 people. See how fast we can take it to 1,000. Slow down a little bit. It's 45 minutes. Wrap up. 45 minutes already. AAL. Looking pretty decent though. AAL on the move. JetBlue come right back up alongside AAL. Gino still halted the NDP. Stop right there. KZR coming to a top, and Macy's slowly, very slowly moving right back up to 786. Okay, JetBlue is showing a little bit of resistance around 1225. Now I'm debating here, see if I want to take a short at 1225. This shows that it's slowing down and AAL is pulling back. Now, that's not a reason, enough reason for me just to take that. See, hanging man on the 1, and now with a topping candle 1 minute time frame, a shooting star formation inverted hanging man as well, with a low at 1219. But I don't know. Got a 5 minute time frame doji on JetBlue here. CIDM bouncing right back up, going towards the view up 929. 929. Man, I gotta cut my hair. Barbershops are still closed here in New Jersey. I think they're gonna open by the end of the month, like 22nd of this month. Flag. Small flag. AAL. Small flag. I think those ads are no longer relevant there. Flag formation breakout. Flag formation breakout. Spider. Spy. Bull flag pattern breakout in the 5 minute time frame on the spider. Coming right back up, the market rebounding, rebouncing or bouncing or bounce, whatever you want to call it. It's just going higher, so it doesn't really matter. Just going higher. That's what matters. Gina's hold it still. Who in the world? Very nice move on AAL. Amazing move on AAL. Market pulling back right now. Market pulling back right now. Guys, I'm having a good day, so I'm sorry if you don't like it. KZR, KCR on the move. KCR, 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 KCR on the move. KCR. KCR on the move, guys. KCR. Oh my God, this market is crazy. This market is just amazing. The market is just amazing. Oof. Look at AAL. It just keeps on going. A little bit of selling at 14.15 right here. 10,000 share seller, 14.15. Making it pull back right here. Still 11,000 share seller right there on the spot, 14.15, but they got taken out. See here, you're holding it around this area, but it's looking really, really nice though. Gina has resumed, dropping even more now. $20,000 share seller, 14.19. Making a pullback right here. $26,000 share seller, 14.20. 28,000 shares sell at 14.20. Ah, they're getting absorbed though. Oof, too strong. Levels are being bought out. Levels are being bought. I gotta tell you something. There's gotta be some news out. There's gotta be some news out on AAL. It's too strong. No other one is moving this way. You look at the 5-minute time frame candles. No other airline. I mean, well, I'm just comparing it to JBLU right now. Anyway, not the Deltas or Spirit. Let me see. Let me just look. Let me just look at. Yeah, Delta a little bit strong, but not the same way though. Not in the same way. American Airlines has been really, really strong this morning. Hope you guys are having a good day though. KCR pulling back. AAL keeps on moving though. That's what I was listening to this morning on Bloomberg News this morning. I like to tune into the news. The overall airline sector is moving higher. Now JetBlue is picking up steam as well. JetBlue is picking up steam. Delta, the other ones, American Airlines, Delta, JetBlue, Spirit Airlines, you know, all of those guys, they picking up really hard. I mean, they picking up a lot of steam though. A lot of steam. Amazing moves on American. Just amazing market. That's what happens when the market pulls back like that. When news start coming out and the market starts to pick up, it's a lot of opportunities all over the place. OXY going higher. You know, here's the thing. As airlines start to pick up, oil will actually start to pick up because the demand is going to be there as well now that they need the fuel. So I'm pretty sure that oil stocks are actually going to, let me just check out WPX, TALO, Apache right there picking up too. alongside OXY with a bull flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame. Pulling back hard right here. CIDM has a decent consolidation. 5-minute time frame consolidation. Flag in here. UNDP moving higher, very slow, and you got Genos halted again. Macy's broke that 796, went to 815, pull back. We got a higher day that right here at $8.19, and went to 818, pull back from that area though. Five-minute shooting star formation of Macy's. Spider keeps making new highs though. Holy smokes. Wow. The market is just amazing today. Yesterday was actually pretty good too. I'm not, denying it. Yesterday we had a pretty decent amount of movers, especially that Sava, SA, and thank you for that, Jacine, SAVA, and this other one, Genos. Huge didn't move too well, but it moved. DAL flagging on the 1 minute. Holy smokes, American Airlines is just booming today. We have almost 90 million shares traded on this one today. This is just I don't even know what to say though. I don't even know what to say though. This is just crazy. This market is just amazing. Really strong market. Okay, we're pulling back hard here. The bid has been really slapped really hard here on AAL. The bid has been slapped pretty hard on AAL. Big bidders came in. Big bidders came in. AAL was slapped pretty hard. Dude, that level 2 is flushing so fast that it's really hard to read what's happening. We can see 23,000 share being slapped right here at 14. What's the price here? I think this thing's probably gonna get halted at some point here though. Just so fast though. Wow, 100,000 shares at 1480. 100,000 shares 1480 bid. Now 150,000 shares at 1480. That was a big right there. Probably gonna hold it right there. 150,000 at 1480. Holy smokes, this market is actually pretty good today. EXPA dropping quick. EXPA, XSPA, I'm sorry, XSPA, XSPA dropping fast. XSPA. Coming right back down. 1480. 150,000 shares. Taking out. 150,000 shares. Taking out at 1480. Dropping very nicely. Very quick now. Very quick now. Range towards 1450. Topping candle 15-minute time frame. Oh, dropping so quick though. Gravestone Doge in the 15-minute time frame got taken out really hard here, coming down really fast. That huge bid. So people shorting this thing really hard. What a pullback from the 1550 area. What a pullback from the $1 move here. $1 move here. Dollar move here from the 1550 area. Really strong though. This thing is going, oh my god, this thing is being shorted like crazy though. Gina's halted for 15 minutes now, almost 15 minutes. Crazy bidders, man, been shorting that one really hard. I mean, from the top on the around the 1498, it's like 200,000 share bidder, like shorting that one really hard, and then I say kept on coming down. Another big guys came in. I'm pretty sure that it has to be a hedge fund or something like that, because for you to put in, talking about millions and millions of dollars, you got to put in 150,000 shares shorting this thing. You need to have a lot of money in order for you to do that, because you're talking about millions of dollar position there at 1480. 100,000, you do the math, you're talking about 1.5 million dollars. But the thing is that you need to have the maintenance in order for you to put the short like that. And so you're talking about having a pretty decent size account in order for you to be able to short something like that this way, you know. So it started to come down. It tapped that 1480 a couple of times, and then when that short and that support right there, 1480, got taken out, it was the done deal. It came down really hard. I think it's probably setting up for another run under 1463. Here you go. Probably gonna consolidate here a little bit now. But I think we could come down and have a retest of this area here if it holds. At 1416. So it's going sideways right now. Let's see how the sellers come in. If this thing is gonna hold at 1476 resistance there. You can see a couple of people selling at 1475. 10,000 share seller right there just now, making the drop a little bit. $47,000 share seller at 1475. 10,000 share seller at 1473. 55,000 share seller 1475. Getting sponged. Pulling it down. Yep, they got taken out. Whoop. Wow. Didn't see that support coming in so strong right there. A lot of buying going in. Geno's resumed 493, dropping so quick. This thing is a rock going down with no parachute. Oof. 180,000 share sellers at 1489. They got taken out. I gotta tell you though, the amount of support that this thing is having is not showing on the bid. So there are people buying. They're not putting their orders out. They're not putting the orders out. Got a pullback right here on the AAL. Take another prior low on the 1 minute time frame candle. 1495. This one's probably gonna start to slow down a little bit. KCR moving slow. Right back up. Bouncing right off of the VWAP. Macy's Dojo on 5-minute time frame though. Watching how it interacts right here with Dojo 1-minute time frame too. What's the high of this candles here? 834. We got 838. Let's just pull back a little bit. But that doesn't mean that it's gonna have a retraction in a hard way. Could be a micro pullback here. Came down to the $8.34. Prior level on the daily. That was prior resistance. Now it can most definitely can become support. We had a tap here that exactly 834. Pull back here. If this thing actually moves well, it has to come right back up to have a retest of this area, the high, and then come right back down to have a retest. It needs to have a retest of the 834 if it's really gonna have a break under here with a reversal candle in the 5-minute time frame though that is about to close in the next 10 seconds. Let's see, and it just closed. And here you go. So It pulled back exactly to the prior resistance on the daily, $8.34, and then came right back up. As you noticed, these things have been pretty strong today, not counting for those prior reversals that were working out pretty well over the last couple of weeks now. What you have to do is to wait for confirmation to be taken out on the prior candles, and then you might end up having a reversal. Now, it actually did work out okay this morning on the 1 minute time frame here, right out of the gates. It did work out okay with a hanging man on the 1 minute. But now that the market has slowed down a little bit more, you can see here it came to exactly a key level on the daily to have a retest and come right back up. Now, what we have to see here, if this reversal works out well, it needs to come back and retest at 834 area of support, or actually prior resistance on the daily that kind of became support here in a 1 minute. Has to retest that area and needs to be taken out. If you notice right here, it was just taken out, and now you can say that the reversal is actually going to work out. Micro bounce around the 50 simple moving average. Micro bounce 50 simple moving average. And this is how the price interacts with prior areas of support and resistance. Oftentimes you're gonna try to take a reversal in a key level. You have a trend line. These areas come and have a retest, come up and bounce, and then you have to wait until the price interacts. Or you can take, with the risk of to the high, take a short into the prior area of support. Here you can see how it retests at 834. It's probably gonna be this area of resistance now, and it's actually going to come right back to retest a 50 simple moving average and follow through from there. We don't have much support at 827. If 828 got taken out, we'll see some 825 prints pretty fast. And here comes 825. It's gonna hover around the 50 for a second, but it's gonna go. Also, bear flag pattern 1 minute time frame, 820. A18 got to be taken out. We don't see much support there anyway. Possible bear flag pattern. Holding around 823. At 18, lower the bear flag pattern 1 minute time frame, bear flag pattern 1 minute time frame, bear flag pattern 1 minute time frame, 818 low, 818 got taken out. This thing's gonna go again. Just as we mentioned just a minute ago, it's gonna hover around the 50 simple moving average there anyway. Become that resistance, and 818 probably gonna be taken out. We don't see much support at 817. If this one gets taken out, it's gonna go. See some 817 prints right now. Going down. Going down. Spider dropped very fast. If 15 being slapped on the bid, probably gonna hold around here a little bit. A 15 slowing down here a little bit. Setting up for follow through here. A15. Still holding a little bit here. But you gotta be careful. A bit is actually stacking here. A16. It's making a little bit of a floor here. Here comes the sellers. Okay, this 5-minute candle is a little strong here, making a little bit of a floor. And be careful here with this little pattern though. Alright, for 415 got taken out. I was gonna run a little bit here. Coming down hard. 5-minute candle about to close though. Okay, this is close to the holdout area, a couple of cents away from the $8 mark. We got a little bit of selling, 25,000 shares sell at 810. Expect to see that it gets close to the $8, right? But at the same time, I think we're gonna bounce right off of this area though. Macy's has a decent range today, but I don't expect that it's gonna flush too quickly under 8, so gotta be careful with that. So bouncing right off this area here. Was a decent flush though, I have to say, from that top on 850 mark. Again, key level 834 came up, down retest, held that support, came right back up, and as I mentioned, it needs to retest this area and be taken out. Oftentimes, what you can do, and I've done it many times, you take the short based on the high of the pattern to go down to have a retest of the prior support and follow through to the downside. This type of patterns are something that happen many times. I've seen it happen. Many times I've seen it happen. So there's a reason why key levels are important on the daily. Again, he held that support, but if that reversal was going to work, he had to come back around and retest the prior 834 and follow through the downside. Guys, I'm gonna take a step back away from the computer. I need to stand up. I'm having a little bit of a back pain here. I need to move my back a little bit, and so I'm gonna try to stretch out my back a little bit. I don't know, for some reason the angle on the chair is killing me today. I've been having issues over the last couple of days about that. So I'm gonna take a step back. I will see you guys in a little while. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading. We're gonna keep the conversation rolling on Discord. Take care, guys, and I'll see you later. I hope today's session was any kind of help for you, and you learned a couple of lessons live while the market actually developed a couple of different patterns that we actually were able to execute on. So see you guys later. Take care and enjoy the